Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving into the world of web hosting and taking a closer look at one of the leading providers in the industry, Hostinger. So whether you're a beginner looking to create your first website or a seasoned pro in need of reliable web hosting, Hostinger has got you covered. Join me today as we explore the features, performance, and overall value of Hostinger's hosting resources. Let's get started. So what is Hostinger? Hostinger is a web hosting company that was founded in 2004. It has quickly grown to become one of the largest hosting providers globally, serving millions of customers worldwide. Hostinger offers a range of hosting services including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting. All of this type of hosting caters to the needs of individuals, small businesses, and developers as well. Some key features and highlights of Hostinger include affordable pricing. So Hostinger is known for its budget-friendly hosting plans, making it an attractive option for the individuals and small businesses on a tight budget. Hostinger servers are optimized for speed and reliability, ensuring fast loading times, minimal downtime for your website. Hostinger provides a user-friendly control panel that makes it easy to manage your hosting account. It's also easy to manage your email accounts and install applications and lots more. Hostinger provides a user-friendly control panel that makes it easy to manage your hosting account. Hostinger also takes security really seriously and implements measures like SSL certificates, a DDoS protection, and regular backups to keep your website secure. Hostinger offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and a ticketing system, ensuring that you can get the assistance whenever you need it. Hostinger also provides a website builder tool that allows you to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. Hostinger also has one-click installations, and you can easily install popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal with just a few clicks. Hostinger has data centers in multiple locations worldwide, allowing you to choose a server location closest to your target audience for optimal website performance. These are just some highlights of the Hostinger's offerings. It's worth noting that Hostinger has received positive reviews for its affordability, performance, and customer support. And for customer support as well. But it's always recommended to carefully review and compare hosting providers to ensure they meet your specific needs before making a decision. So now let's take a look at some of the pricing for Hostinger. This is their shared hosting pricing, and you can see it's one of the cheaper hosting plans. Hostinger does offer several hosting plans at different price points, then that'll help cater to different needs and budgets. For the web hosting, the shared hosting plan, it starts as little as $149 a month, and this is an introductory offer, so it does renew at $299, and it goes all the way up to £9 with the cloud startup. But the single shared hosting plan is suitable for hosting one website and includes 50 GB SSD storage, standard performance, and you do get a weekly backup. So you get the weekly backup with the single and premium. With the premium hosting, you can have up to 100 websites. You have a lot more SSD storage, but you still have standard performance as well. The most popular plan is the business plan, and this is really good for if you have a lot of websites to host, but also if those websites have a lot of resources and they're quite high performance as well. So you've got increased performance, up to 5 times an increase in performance, a lot more storage at 200 GB, and also daily backups instead of the weekly, which is also really important as well. You also do have the free CDN, free domain, and you have the unlimited free SSL with all the plans that you have. And Hostinger is a really good option, especially if you have a managed WordPress site. Their support team is fully equipped to handle WordPress hosting as well. It's important to note that these prices are subject to change, and they can vary depending on the duration of your subscription. Hostinger often offers promotional discounts, especially for longer term plans, so it's a good idea to visit the website to get the most sort of up-to-date and accurate pricing information for a specific hosting plan you're interested in at the time. In terms of their customer support, it's rated quite highly. Hostinger offers 24/7 customer support to assist users with their hosting related queries and issues. So here are some details about their customer support. First up, you have the live chat. So Hostinger provides live chat support, allowing you to connect with a support representative in real time. It's a really convenient option for quick questions or urgent assistance. If you have a non-urgent inquiry or need more detailed assistance, you can submit a support ticket through Hostinger's ticketing system, and this allows you to provide specific details about your issue, and the support team will respond accordingly. Hostinger has an extensive knowledge base that contains a wealth of information, tutorials, guides, and frequently asked questions as well. It covers various topics relating to hosting, website management, and domain management, and lots more. It's a great resource for self-help, finding answers to common queries as well. Hostinger also maintains an active community forum where users can interact with each other, ask questions, and share knowledge and experiences. It's a helpful platform to seek advice, tips, and solutions for other Hostinger users as well. Hostinger's blog and tutorial section provides additional resources and guides on web hosting as well. Website creation, optimization, and other related topics. It's a really valuable source of information for beginners and advanced users as well. Hostinger is known for its responsive and helpful customer support. A lot of users have reported positive experiences with their support team, appreciating their promptness and willingness to assist with various hosting issues as well. So in reaching out to Hostinger's support, be sure to provide as much relevant information as possible with your concern or question. This will help the support team better understand your situation and provide an accurate, helpful response as well. Overall, Hostinger's customer support aims to provide timely and efficient assistance to ensure a smooth hosting experience for their users as well. So let's look at another competitor of Hostinger and compare how it works with Hostinger, and this is HostGator. So what is HostGator? HostGator is a popular web hosting company that provides a range of hosting services and domain registration as well. Founded in 2002, HostGator has grown to become one of the leading hosting providers, hosting millions of websites worldwide. HostGator accommodates a staggering number of over 10 million domains with its user-friendly one-click WordPress installation, a steadfast 99.9% uptime guarantee, and round-the-clock support. HostGator emerges as an intelligent choice for website owners across the brand. Some of the common pros of using HostGator includes reliable web hosting, free domain name and SSL, free business email address, one-click WordPress installation, and a 45-day money-back guarantee as well. Some key features and services offered by HostGator include shared hosting. So HostGator offers shared hosting plans suitable for small to medium-sized websites. Shared hosting means multiple websites are hosted on the same server, making it an affordable option for beginners or those with low-traffic websites as well. It also offers VPS hosting, so also known as virtual private server hosting. And this provides more resources and control compared to shared hosting. HostGator offers dedicated resources within a shared environment, giving you a greater flexibility and performance for your website. HostGator also offers dedicated hosting, so essentially it'll provide an entire server exclusively for your website. This option is ideal for high-traffic websites or those with specific resource requirements. It offers maximum control, customization, and performance as well. Cloud hosting is also an option with HostGator services, and HostGator's cloud hosting utilizes the power of multiple servers working together, ensuring high availability, scalability, and reliability as well. It offers seamless resource scalability and is suitable for websites with fluctuating traffic. HostGator offers optimized hosting plans specifically designed for WordPress websites, and these plans include features like automatic WordPress updates, enhanced security, and specialized support. HostGator also allows you to register and manage domain names, so you can choose from a variety of domain extensions and benefit from domain privacy and DNS management tools. HostGator also offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone, and a ticket-based system as well. The support team is knowledgeable and can assist you with technical issues, account management, and general inquiries as well. HostGator also offers shared hosting plans at different price points to cater various needs and budget. These pricing can change over time, so it's always best to visit the HostGator website for more up-to-date information. But here's a general overview of their shared hosting pricing. So you can see their pricing here. We're on the shared pricing plan, and they have 3 different pricing plans, starting from the hatching plan, baby plan, and the business plan. So the hatching plan is the most affordable option. It's suitable for beginners and it hosts a single website. It typically starts around $3.75 a month, and it features like unmetered bandwidth, a free SSL, 10 GB disk space, and a single domain hosting as well. Then you have the baby plan. And the baby plan is designed for users who need to host multiple websites. The introductory offer currently is $4.50 a month, and it includes unlimited domains, unmetered bandwidth, a free SSL, and a shared SSL certificate as well. And then you have the business plan, and this is the highest tier shared hosting plan offered by HostGator. It generally starts at around $5.95 per month and includes unlimited domains, unmetered bandwidth, a free SSL, dedicated IP address, and a free upgrade to positive SSL as well. What's really important to note though is that these are all introductory offers, so they may increase upon renewal. HostGator a lot of the time do provide discounts and promotions, so it's worth checking their website for any ongoing deals when you're considering buying a plan as well. So while HostGator is a popular hosting provider with many advantages, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks, and here are a few cons associated with HostGator. The main one being their renewal prices. As we've seen before, HostGator offers discounted introductory prices for the first term, and these are quite affordable, but the renewal rates can be significantly higher, and this is common practice among a lot of hosting providers, not just HostGator, but it's important to be aware of the long-term costs when you're signing up for a hosting plan. The next one is upselling. So a lot of users have reported that HostGator engages in a very aggressive upselling tactics, attempting to sell additional services and features during the sign-up process. While these upsells are optional, they can be overwhelming for some users. While HostGator offers 24/7 customer support, the quality of support can be inconsistent. Some users have reported longer response times, difficulty in reaching a knowledgeable representative, or unsatisfactory resolutions to their issues, but it is worth noting that customer support experiences can vary from user to user. Although HostGator promises 99.9% uptime, some users have experienced occasional downtime or slower loading speeds. The performance of shared hosting plans can be affected by the number of websites hosted on the same server and the resource usage of other users as well. Unlimited resources. So HostGator's shared hosting plans have certain limitations on resources like CPU usage, memory allocation, and things like that. So if your website experiences sudden spikes in traffic or resource intensive tasks, you may need to consider upgrading to a higher tier plan or a different hosting option in general. It's important to remember that experiences with hosting providers can vary, and what might be a con for one user may not be a big issue for another one. Before making a decision, it's really advisable to thoroughly research and consider your specific hosting requirements and read reviews from multiple sources and compare HostGator with other hosting providers to determine the best fit for your needs. So now let's look at a few other web hosting providers that you can consider for comparison with HostGator. First one being Bluehost. So Bluehost is a really popular hosting provider known for its WordPress hosting solutions. It offers a range of hosting plans including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org and provides excellent performance and customer support in that area. So if you know that you want to build your site in WordPress, or if you already have a WordPress site and you're considering moving to another hosting provider, Bluehost might be a really suitable option, as they are a dedicated hosting provider for WordPress as well. Next up, we have SiteGround, and SiteGround is another well-regarded hosting provider known for its reliable performance, top-notch customer support as well. They offer various hosting options also, including shared, cloud, and dedicated hosting. SiteGround is also recommended by WordPress.org and features and offers features like free SSL, daily backups, and a user-friendly interface. To look at their pricing, you just want to go onto their website and just look for the pricing that you want to know about. So for example, if you want to see about their WordPress hosting, if you click on that, then you'll be able to see their pricing plans. As you can see, it's similar to HostGator in that the introductory offer is quite low and it's on promotion, but it does have slightly higher renewal fees as well. So one thing to make sure of whenever you are deciding which plan to go for is the extended long-term costs associated with it. Next up, we have DreamHost, and DreamHost is another really reliable web hosting provider with a strong focus on performance and customer privacy. They offer a wide range of hosting services, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. DreamHost is known for its commitment to open source technologies and offers features like solid-state drives and unlimited bandwidth. Next up, we have A2 Hosting, and it's known for its high-speed hosting solutions and optimized performance. They offer shared VPS and dedicated hosting, along with specialized hosting for platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. A2 Hosting emphasizes speed and reliability with features like turbo services and SSD storage as well. And lastly, we have InMotion Hosting. So InMotion Hosting provides a range of hosting options with a focus on business hosting. They offer shared VPS and dedicated hosting, along with WordPress optimized plans. InMotion Hosting is known for its reliable performance, solid customer support, and free website migration services as well. It's really important to consider your specific needs, like website traffic, technical requirements, budget, and desired features when comparing hosting providers. You want to read up on reviews, research their respective features and pricing, and consider customer feedback, and this will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your own hosting requirements as well. And that wraps up our overview of Hostinger, one of the top web hosting providers out there. From their affordable pricing plans to their user-friendly interface and excellent customer service, Hostinger provides to be a reliable choice for individuals and businesses alike. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or if there's any other web hosting providers that you want us to review as well, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.